Hello and good afternoon and welcome to your next car personal video. I'll give you a little walk around the outside of the car, the 420D GRAN Coupe on the 2066-16 reg. So as you can see, it does benefit from the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is all fitted in-house here. We've gone for the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. This vehicle also benefits from having the BMW Angel Art and xenon headlamps. It has the BMW 19-inch LA M Sport alloys, which is finished in the original diamond cut finish. If we go down to the side of the car, you'll see it has the side vinyls and then performance decals. Inside the car we have the beautiful black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. This particular vehicle does benefit from having the 8-speed sport gearbox combined with the superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. In the back we have a lot of room, as well as being exceptionally well and truly very tidy. We have the satin rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser, the 420D badges and the X-Drive badging. If you open up the electric tailgate, you will see just how large the boot space is on the GRAN Coupe 4 Series. Huge amount of room in there. And as I said, it is fully electric opening and closing. Give you a little bit of a closer look at the rear seats. Of course, they're all ISOFIX. If you are needing to put the child seats in the back, air breather in gloss black, a nice factory option. As I said, it is a nice and clean and tidy example. Okay, so I'll get on inside now and I'll just show you some of the interior features and options that this particular car has. As we've already mentioned, we've got the heated leather seats in the front. We have the professional wide navigation and media. This particular version is the updated iDrive software, so it's the latest version you can get. Included in that is a few more features, i.e. the better connected drive. We have all the digital service record on the screen, which I can get into now and show you. So there we have the full BMW service history. It last visited BMW at 74442, so very recently, and its last visit was for an engine oil service. As you can see there, it actually had a full service, therefore meaning it's not due a engine oil change for 19,000 miles. It has the 8-speed sport gearbox, which I spoke about, with the paddle shift, cruise control, multi-function M Sport steering wheel, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 75,000 miles. Bluetooth communications as well as media, and a wide array of multimedia inputs. Okay, so that pretty much sums up the video on the 420D GRAN Coupe here at Your Next Car. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.